Ever wondered what it would be like to wake up on a different planet? Imagine stepping out of your habitat to gaze upon a Martian sunrise, or perhaps a distant alien star. The concept of space colonization, once restricted to the realm of science fiction, is now becoming a tangible possibility. It's an intriguing idea, isn't it? The potential to venture beyond our home planet, to establish thriving human communities amidst the stars. But why, you might ask, should we even consider such a seemingly audacious endeavor? Well, the answer lies in the inherent nature of humanity itself. We are explorers, pioneers, always pushing the boundaries of the known. And space colonization is the next great frontier in our journey of discovery and progress. But it's not just about exploration, it's also about survival. As our planet faces increasing challenges, from climate change to resource depletion, the ability to inhabit other worlds may one day become crucial to the continuation of our species. Now, there are two key concepts that are pivotal to our understanding of space colonization. The first is terraforming, the process of transforming a hostile alien environment into one that can support human life. Think of it as cosmic gardening on a planetary scale. It's a daunting task, undoubtedly, but one that could open up countless new homes for humanity among the stars. The second concept is interstellar travel. We're not just talking about a jaunt to the moon or Mars here. We're talking about journeys that span light years to distant stars and the potentially habitable planets that orbit them. It's an area of research that's still in its infancy, but the potential rewards are astronomical. Space colonization, then, is both an answer to our existential threats and a gateway to unimaginable opportunities. It's a topic that's as vast as the universe itself, filled with challenges to overcome and mysteries to unravel. So, are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of space colonization? Picture this: transforming a barren, inhospitable planet into a second Earth. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this, dear listeners, is what we call terraforming. Terraforming is the theoretical process where we could modify the atmosphere, temperature, surface, and ecology of a planet or moon to make it habitable for life as we know it. It's a concept that's been around for more than a century, but it's only in the last few decades that we've begun to understand the monumental task it represents. So how does one terraform a planet? Well, the process involves three major steps. First, we'd need to warm up the planet. For a place like Mars, this could involve releasing greenhouse gases to trap heat. Secondly, we'd need to create an atmosphere. This could be achieved by importing volatile substances like water and nitrogen, or by manufacturing them on site. Lastly, the planet's surface would need to be prepared for habitation, which could involve importing microbes and plants to kickstart an ecosystem. That's the theory anyway. But the challenges are immense. The resources required would be astronomical, literally. And then there's the time factor. Even if we could start today, it would likely take thousands of years to see significant changes, not to mention the ethical implications of drastically altering another planet. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards are just as immense. Imagine turning Mars or Venus into a second Earth, a new home for humanity. It's a dream that's inspired countless science fiction stories, but could it become a reality? Well, we're not there yet. The scientific advancements required to make terraforming possible are still beyond our reach. We'd need to develop technology capable of manipulating entire planetary environments, which is no small feat. But every day, we're making strides in our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Terraforming, while challenging, holds the key to making life on other planets a reality. But how do we get there? The stars have always captivated us, but they are not just for gazing upon anymore. They are our future destinations. We stand on the precipice of a new era, where interstellar travel is no longer the musings of science fiction, but a tangible reality within our grasp. Interstellar travel, the concept of journeying across the vast cosmos to other star systems, is the next frontier of human exploration. It's an ambitious goal, one that pushes the boundaries of our technological capabilities. Yet the human spirit is nothing if not resilient, and we've already begun to explore and develop the technologies that could make this possible. One such technology is the concept of warp drives. Imagine a spacecraft able to distort the fabric of space-time itself, enabling faster-than-light travel. It sounds like something straight out of Star Trek, but it's an idea that's being seriously considered by physicists and engineers. Another approach is the idea of generation ships. These are spacecraft designed to carry multiple generations of passengers. Over the course of a centuries-long voyage, generations would live, work, and die aboard the ship, with their descendants ultimately reaching the destination. But these technologies also come with significant challenges. The vastness of space and the time it takes to travel such distances are not to be underestimated. For instance, even at the speed of light, a trip to our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would take more than 4 years. Furthermore, the need for sustainable life support systems is critical. We must develop ways to recycle air, water, and waste and to produce food for long-duration space missions. These systems would need to be extraordinarily efficient and reliable, as the consequences of failure could be catastrophic. Interstellar travel is not just about reaching other stars. It's about the survival and evolution of humanity. It's about expanding our horizons, exploring the unknown, and seeking answers to our deepest questions. Interstellar travel will be the vessel that carries humanity to its future. But what does this future hold? We've talked about how we could create livable worlds and journey to the stars. Now let's envision the future of space colonization. Picture this: a society not bound by the constraints of a single planet. The cultural and societal changes that could come with space colonization are as vast as the cosmos themselves. We could see the emergence of new cultural norms, influenced by the unique environments of each colonized world. Imagine celebrating a holiday based on the orbit of a Martian moon, or creating art inspired by the rings of a distant gas giant. Space colonization could also lead to advancements in technology and science. The challenges of living in space will push us to innovate. We may develop new methods of farming in low-gravity environments, or create advanced AI to help manage life-sustaining systems on a colony ship. From bioengineering to robotics, the opportunities for scientific breakthroughs are limitless. But what does this mean for Earth and for humanity as a whole? The answer is complex. On one hand, space colonization could alleviate some of the pressures we face here on Earth, such as overpopulation and resource scarcity. On the other hand, it raises questions about our responsibility to the planets we colonize and to the potential life forms we may encounter. We must also consider the psychological implications. What does it mean to be human when we are no longer solely Earthlings? How will we maintain a sense of unity and shared identity across the vastness of space? These are questions we will need to grapple with as we venture into the cosmos. In the face of these challenges and opportunities, one thing is clear. The future of space colonization is about more than just survival. It's about exploration, innovation, and the expansion of human potential. It's about reaching for the stars, not just to touch them, but to make them our home. The future of space colonization is a journey into the unknown, filled with endless possibilities. The vastness of space is a reminder of our smallness, and yet it beckons us to explore, innovate, and dream. With this thought in mind, let's look back on the ideas we ventured through today. We started our journey with the intrigue of space colonization, a concept that once seemed purely imaginative, but is now being seriously considered by scientists and engineers. The potential of space colonization is vast, promising not only new frontiers for human exploration, but also solutions to Earth's pressing environmental challenges. Then we delved into the process of terraforming, a scientific and engineering feat that could potentially transform uninhabitable planets into livable worlds. It's a concept that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, but with advancements in technology, it's becoming increasingly plausible. We also looked ahead to the future of interstellar travel. With the development of faster and more efficient propulsion technologies, we could one day traverse the vast distances of space, reaching new star systems, and perhaps even other galaxies. This could open up unimaginable possibilities for human exploration and discovery. Finally, we examined the implications of space colonization for human society. It's not just about exploring new worlds, it's about creating new societies, new economies, and new ways of living. It's about the evolution of humanity itself. But remember, these are just glimpses into a future that is still being written. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities, who knows what incredible discoveries and advancements lie ahead? And that's the beauty of this journey. It's not about the destination, but about the voyage of discovery, the thrill of exploration, and the joy of learning. Remember, this is just the beginning. Subscribe to Tech Talk Central for more deep dives into the future of technology and science. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.